Boom, what is happening, my friend? It's Cameron Malcolmson here, and in this video we're going to be covering artificial intelligence marketing made simple. And you can see here it says creating the intelligence that runs the box, and this is kind of like a little phrase saying that Bill Gates used to say, and he said that we don't want to sell the box, we want to sell the intelligence that runs the box. And this is going to be internet marketing artificial intelligence video. So let's jump into it, my friend, right? So the first thing we want to kind of ask ourselves in this here is, what is artificial intelligence? And I got this from Wikipedia, and it says, in computer science, artificial intelligence is something sometimes called machine intelligence. It is intelligence demonstrated by machines in contrast to natural intelligence displayed by humans. Okay, so it's saying here that artificial intelligence is nothing without human intelligence. So it takes a human being to go ahead and program the machine to work in a way that they would work. Okay, so reason why we would want to leverage ourselves using artificial intelligence is because, well, in business, it can be pretty demanding, right? And you always have something to do, or people calling you on the phone, and you're trying to get work done and time just keeps slipping away. So why we would want to utilize artificial intelligence in our internet marketing is so that we can create little systems, because businesses all run on systems, and we can create these artificial intelligence systems that run and work for us 365 days a year, 7 days a week, without asking for a day off, pay rise, time off sick, holiday pay, any of this stuff, complaining, and it'll just work for you really, really hard every single day and not take any time off. So we want to create these kind of systems using artificial intelligence that I'm going to share with you in this video. So creating an employee using artificial intelligence, and employees are great, right? Well, maybe not all the time, okay? So have you ever heard of the saying that systems work and people feel? And this is kind of what this is that we're going to build a system, kind of like, say, if you create a system in your business and you give this person the system and they work the system, it'll probably work really well compared to if you just said, this is what you're doing, go do it, and they had to figure it out themselves. If you give them a proven system that they can just work really, really hard, it's probably going to work way better than just giving somebody something to do and saying, figure it out for yourself. Okay, so you want to create this system that works because people feel, so using artificial intelligence for internet marketing, businesses are made up of systems. So you got a marketing system, you got a sales system, you got a value delivery system. AI can be used in all these applications for your internet marketing business. So what we're going to look at today is building value pieces that you can plug into these systems. So you can almost say that artificial intelligence is like Lego blocks, and they're not going to work properly unless someone intelligently pieces them together to make something great. AI is useless without human intelligence. So you can see here there's loads of little Lego blocks, and what we want to do is take each of these Lego blocks and piece them together until we have something great. So what kind of AI building blocks can we use? And there are more than this, and these are just the basics of artificial intelligence for internet marketing. And some building blocks I use every day in my business to utilize this AI strategy for marketing, sales, and value delivery. Now, remember, AI is nothing without human intelligence, and here are some building blocks that you can make and create an AI system for your internet business. So some of these here blocks that you can use videos, you can use landing pages, sales pages, blog written content, you can use websites, emails, advertisements, offers and offer and order forms. So these are different building blocks that you can take a video and plug it into your landing page, that collects an email, and the email send people to a blog. And this is like a little Lego pieces that you can plug together and create a system, a marketing system run by artificial intelligence. Okay, so if you can intelligently plug these blocks together, you can create something great like this. Now this is the world's tallest Lego block tower, and really this is what you can achieve when you keep piecing these blocks together. You can end up building a skyscraper that kisses the sky, and people from all around can see your skyscraper and they're like, whoa, this is really cool, you've built something awesome here, and this is what I want to share with you on this training and in this video. Okay, so here's just a few combinations, and what I'm going to say here is that we can intelligently plug these things together whatever way that you choose, and these are just some of the ideas that I came up with to kind of give you an idea of how we can piece these blocks together to create an internet marketing system. Okay, so the first thing you can do is you can have ads. So this is like a little Lego block, and the ads are bringing people to a landing page, and that landing page is collecting emails, and the emails send people to a written blog with videos on them, and the videos talk about going to the next step, which is the sales page, and the sales page takes people to the order and the offer. So you can see then the money comes out the other end. So we go and put money in, we put money to work for us in the ads. It runs through this AI system that we intelligently created out of the Lego blocks, out of these blocks, and then money comes out the other end. And this is ultimate, and this is just one of the combinations that you can do. The next sort of combination you can do is you can have a written blog, which then collects people's emails, and the emails send people to videos, and the videos are on sales pages. So this is another little system that you could make. There's no limit into what way you want to do this here. Then another idea that you can have is you can have a video on your landing page that collects emails, and the emails send people to a sales page. And this is another little artificial intelligence system for your internet marketing business. Okay, so let's see. What we're going to be talking about here now is creating a value piece. So a value piece is kind of like one piece that's like a little employee, and it's an artificial intelligence employee that works for you 365 days a year, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, without asking for a day off, a pay rise, a lunch break. It works really, really, really hard for you. It never gets tired, and really, it's like a system that you can feed with loads and loads of inputs, and it's not going to break. Okay, so here is an example of a virtual artificial intelligence employee made up of some of these blocks. So here you can see another combination where we take the building blocks, plug them together, and build an AI employee. What? Are you getting this? Okay, so the first thing you can see here is you've got the video sales letter at the top. That's one block. Then you've got written copy, sales copy, that's another block, and then you've got an offer, and you plug that next block in, and that creates like a little artificial intelligence employee for you. Okay, so this is what you kind of want to do. You want to take these different blocks, intelligently plug them together to create an employee that's going to work for you. A little artificial intelligence employee that's going to work for you. Okay, so let's just go in and dive into some industry leaders and show you their AI employees. Okay, so I pulled up some of these before. So this is one of my mentors' web pages that he's created, and it's kind of like a little employee that works for him. So you can see here you've got the copy, which is talking about the main offer, the result that people are looking for. You've got a little video there that's like a little person there showing and telling them everything about what they need to know about what's on this page and how to go to the next step. And then you've got a little offer. So you can see how this page is pretty simple, and it's like a little employee that's going to work for him over and over and over again at scale, automated. It's like a system that you can feed with loads of inputs that's not going to break. Okay, so this is kind of like a little AI employee here. Then in this page you can see another example of this here, and now this is a video here, and then it's got a little opt-in, and this little page just works around the clock 365 days a year, signing people up to get a free ClickFunnels account. Okay, so this is another example, and you can see here there's little images, there's more videos, and somebody's took their intelligence from their mind and took these little blocks and plugged them all together to create this little AI employee online that just works. And then here's another example. So I typed in Gary V and seen what he was up to, and this was the thing that he had on his Instagram page. So it says, let's see, we send you tremendous gourmet offers daily. You reply with simple how many units you want. Okay, so then it's got a little bit of copy, then it's got a little opt-in box to put in your information and things like that there to sign up. And you can see how this would work. as a little employee, just working around the clock for you, signing people up every day around the clock, and really working for you at scale and automate it. And it's really, really cool when you start to learn how to do this here. Okay, so here's Tai Lopez, is whatever Tai Lopez was up to, and you can see here it says, do you want to co-invest with Tai in buying major American brands that are distressed? Is that what it says? Okay, so you can see that it's got this headline up here. It's got a video, like a little employee. It's got an opt-in box, like an offer thing, and you can apply now. So you can see how this is like a little AI employee that Tai went ahead and created for himself, that's going to work, show, tell, market his offer for him without him ever having to be there. Alright, so this is another example. The last example I want to share with you here in this video is Chris Records, and you can see here it says want your own custom wrap funnel, and then it's got a little video here that must talk about the wrap funnel, and then it says learn how to get your own custom entrepreneur wrap funnel, and then it says yes, I want my own custom wrap funnel. Boom, click on there, and he's got a lot of different things going on here. So we've got 90-day come challenge, follow up Chris on Instagram, all this here. So you can see that this is like a little employee that's going to work for Chris around the clock, 365 days a year, 7 days a week, and it's like a little artificial intelligence employee that's just going to work for him. So this is what I wanted to share with you, was AI and internet marketing, and then how to piece together these blocks to create an AI employee that works for you around the clock, 365 days a year, 7 days a week, without asking for a day off, pay rise, get tired, or any of that stuff, because systems work and people feel, my friend. And this is what I had for you in this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned a whole lot of stuff, and I hope you're ready to take action and start implementing these ideas that I've been sharing with you. And I'll see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you next one. Peace.